Since the very beginning, we at Terra Group have envisioned 900 Biscayne as an amazing building that would be something that more than just a place to live. We embarked on a quest for a structure that would embody our philosophy of what a sophisticated urban community is. And really, this is what the future is creating great urban environments where people can work and live at the same time and enjoy themselves. Well, we're located at the heart of Miami with unbelievable views of Biscayne Bay and Miami Beach and the ocean. We're right across from the cruise ships, which is really one of the great primary things in urban Miami. It is just minutes away from the beaches, the art district, the restaurants, and across from Museum Park.
I was trying, I guess, to recreate the timelessness of the lobbies I grew up with in Chicago. I think it's clean, simple sophistication that lends itself to be a strong backdrop for great art and celebration. As in most of our designs, we try to use natural and eco-friendly materials wherever it's possible. For instance, in the entire amenities level, all the flooring and millwork was constructed out of bamboo. We've created models at 900, and we were trying to create a sophisticated designer furniture package and at affordable cost for everyone. I think the entire landscape is very exciting, and that hotel now on Biscayne Boulevard, when you see 900 looming in the distance with the lights at night and the palm trees swaying on the deck, I think it's contributed incredibly to the vibrance of our city.